A very good morning to dear scholarites. Let's continue our workbook of physics, chapter number 17, light. We are going to discuss checkpoint that is given on the page number 36. So first question in the checkpoint is, you have to choose here the correct option. A point is, which of the following is a system of writing for blinds? As you know well, for the blinds or the people who can't see, they use braille system for their education or to write anything by studying. B is, the human eye has a which type of lens? It has a convex lens that helps to form the converging image, and that is inverted. C is, the color sensitive cells of the human eye are called, that are cone cells, and you know well that cone cells helps to look anything at the daytime, and rod cells at the night time, they get activated at the night time, whereas cone cells get activated at the daytime. D is, a ray that strikes a mirror is called, any ray that is coming from any source of light and that strikes on a mirror, that is known as incident ray, and it is equals to always reflected ray. E portion is, when the reflection takes place from the rough surface, it is called diffused reflection. Okay, and here the blur image is formed. Second question in the checkpoint is, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first is, eyes have color due to the pigmentation in iris. Of course it's true, because we have seen that iris is of different color. It may be green, blue, brown, black, and you know well that brown iris has a maximum pigmentation, and whereas blue iris has a minimum pigmentation. B is, we see most of the objects due to diffuse reflection. Of course it's false, because we have discussed here also that in diffuse reflection always a blurrish image is formed. C point is, we cannot see our face on wall due to diffuse reflection. Yes, it's true. If the ray striking from the rough surface, then the reflection is diffused and we are not able to see our face clearly at that time. D point is, pupil of eye can be deflated or contracted by ciliary muscles. Of course it's false, because ciliary muscles helps only for the flexibility for the lens, but not for the pupil of eyes. For pupil of the eyes, who works? Iris. Iris helps to control the amount of light that falls on the pupil. Question number third is, what are the laws of reflection? So you know well what is the process of reflection. As you play football also, the bouncing back of ball, that is also like a reflection. So the bouncing back of the light is known as reflection. And here the laws of reflection are, first, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, and the second is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal ray. All these three rays lies at the same plane. Question number 4 is, give two examples where we fail to recognize the actual phenomenon due to persistence of vision. A is motion pictures, B is animation, and C is flip books. You know well what is persistence of view or vision, you can say. Question number 5 is, write 5 ways in which you take care of your eyes. So it's up to you, or it's your choice to write different ways through which we can take care of our eyes. Like first is, avoid walking in very dim or very intense light. Second, never look directly at a strong light source. Third, always read from a suitable light source. Fourth, include green vegetables in our diet as they contain vitamin A, which helps to prevent the night blindness also. And the last one is, wash your eyes regularly with the clean water. You can also write here that don't rub your eyes through clothes. Also, nowadays the online education is going on. Also, it is advised only use mobile if you are studying, only that time. Don't use mobile else, or for playing games for hours. That is also a way through which you can take care of your eyes. Question number 6 is, how do your eyes work? So you know well, in a layman language we can say that light rays can go through the cornea, then pupil, and then the eye lens, and thus the image is formed at the wall of the retina. Now what is the work of cornea here? The work of cornea is to focus the image. Okay, for accommodation it helps, whereas before going to the pupil, iris is there as security guard, which helps to allow the amount of light to the pupil, so that it can control the image formation and also the amount of light, because intense light also harm the pupil. You have seen the contraction as well as relaxation of pupil, that is due to the low and intense light. So cornea helps to adjust and focus the light object. Okay, and after passing through the pupil, the light enters to the lens, which produces the inverted image of the object on the retina. You know well, retina is the wall or the platform where the image is formed. That is the light sensitive part, where the rod and cone cells also takes place. I hope you have understood all these questions. Revise it again at your homes. Wherever there is any doubt, you can clear your queries at the online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.